welcome to this episode. Today, we're diving into how you can actually learn AI, not just by watching videos or reading posts, but by building your own projects.
Yeah, it's funny how so many beginners get stuck just consuming content. They watch tutorials, save posts, but rarely take that step to create something themselves.
Exactly. And without building, there's no real progress or confidence. AI isn't just theory. It's about doing, experimenting, and learning by making.
So true. And when it comes to beginner projects, the key is to keep things simple, useful, and quick to build. It's not about perfection or complexity, but about learning through action.
Right. For example, starting with an AI chatbot is a great first step. You build something that answers questions or explains topics, and you learn how to prompt AI and interact with users.
Then, moving on, an AI content generator is another solid project. It helps you create posts, captions, or summaries, teaching you how to structure prompts and control the output.
And for a bit of fun, there's the AI image generator. You can create thumbnails or social media visuals, which really taps into creativity and design thinking.
I like that. But what really sets builders apart is using AI with a system, the AIYING way. Think about what you want, ask with clear prompts, and judge the output critically.
Yeah, that mental model helps you move from just using AI to actually building with it. It's a simple but powerful shift.
So to wrap up, start small, build consistently, and remember, AI is already here. The real question is, will you just watch it, or will you build with it?
Well said. That's the challenge for all of us. Thanks for listening.
Thanks. Talk soon.